In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in Studio One or Studio Pro. Now, it doesn't actually have a native button which you can click and it's going to remove your background noise. However, there's still like two tools which you can use to actually kind of get rid of your background noise. So let me show you how to do this. The first way is to actually right click on the audio. You want to go to audio down here, and from here it says strip silence. So you want to click on that, and as you can see, it's going to strip the silence just like this, because usually when there's silence, you can hear the background noise the most, okay? And that's one way to do this, but of course it's not going to be the best. So I think the better option here would be to right click and then go to audio, and here it says separate stems. Now if you're clicking on this for the first time or pressing Ctrl and U on your keyboard to actually trigger this function, this button, what's going to happen is it's going to tell you have to install it. So just follow the instructions and install it. It's super simple. It's basically a native tool you can install within Studio Pro or Studio One, whatever you want to call it. And then in here, what you can do is uncheck everything except the target stem, like for example, vocals. In my case, it's going to be vocals, so I'm going to uncheck everything. And then from here, I'm just going to click on the OK button, and that's going to start separating stems. And there we go. If there was any background noise, all of that is going to be removed. And the only thing remaining is going to be the vocal, or of course, whatever you wanted to kind of separate or whatever you're working on. Okay. So that's essentially it. Then you want to mute this original noisy track, and you can just go ahead and use this newly created clean track down here. You could also go and completely remove this one by right-clicking, removing track, and there we go. That's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.